The Indonesian Air Force officially received the newest C-130J-30 Super Hercules A1339 military aircraft from the U.S.-based aerospace company, Lockheed Martin, Wednesday, 22/2. Check out the specifications of the jumbo-sized aircraft here. The reception ceremony took place in Georgia, Marietta, Georgia, United States of America. Present at the ceremony were Air Force Chief of Staff, Kasau, Marshal TNI Fadjar Prasetyo, Vice President, VP, and General Manager for Lockheed Martin's Air Mobility and Maritime Missions Organization, McLeaan. The Hercules C-130J-30 will be sent domestically on 28 February 2023 and is expected to arrive in Indonesia on 6 March 2023. 3 crew members of the Indonesian Air Force took part in the flight. The plan: this aircraft will strengthen the 31st Air Squadron Halim Perdanakusuma, Jakarta. Quoted from the Lockheed Martin website, the C-130J-30 aircraft is a wider version of the C-130J Hercules aircraft, which is a proven and affordable carrier aircraft. On the C-130J-30 version, there is a 4.5-meter extension to the fuselage. This increases the use of space in the cargo compartment. The specifications for the C-130J-30 Super Hercules do have relatively wide dimensions, with a length of 34.9 meters, a height of 11.9 meters and a wingspan of 39.7 meters. The C-130 Hercules series is capable of operating from rough dirt tracks or on asphalt aircraft crossings. These mechanized birds are also the main means of transport for distributing airborne troops and equipment to hostile or remote areas. This giant aircraft can carry loads of up to nearly 20,000 kilograms. The aircraft space can carry 8 pallets or 97 stretchers, 128 combat troops, and 92 paratroopers. Not only is the body bulky, Lockheed Martin also equips this military aircraft with Super Hercules features which include aspects of increased fuel protection, as well as an improved cargo handling system. The E and H models are equipped with an Allison T56 turboprop, while the J-Series Hercules is equipped with 4 Rolls-Royce A2100D3 turboprops that can produce 4,700 horsepower. The C-130J-30 Super Hercules aircraft can accelerate up to a maximum of 660 km per hour, Mach 0.58, at an altitude of 6,706 meters. This plane can cover a distance of 4,425 kilometers. Not only improvements in the cargo and engine area, the C-130J-30 Super Hercules is also more modern with a more sophisticated flight station and a fully integrated digital avionics system. The aircraft is also equipped with a head-up display screen, as well as advanced navigation. Through its official website, the Indonesian Air Force has ordered 5 C-130J-30 Super Hercules A1339 units from Lockheed Martin. The advanced aircraft will be delivered in stages until early 2024.